worst thing you can do is worry about what people think.
Hey, how are you?
Our champion is a very famous person. He's a Broadway director.
It's 1965. And how many Chinese movie stars are there? For Joy Chan, this question becomes a matter of courage.
What did I say?
Courage that will come from a unique friendship.
You're a priest.
No, I'm not a priest, I'm a brother.
He's a priest.
He's not a priest. He's a brother.
He's a man of God.
Your daughter is a very special little girl.
But you must promise me that you won't see him anymore.
Oh boy, a teacher? That's weird, Joy. Real weird.
Oh, hello there. Come on in. These guys are just leaving.
Brother T.S. Murphy befriends her and discovers a soulmate.
Well, it's sort of like going away and reflecting on things.
Sounds like hard work.
Oh, it's Elizabeth Barrett Browning.
Hi.
Hi, how do I love thee? Let me count the way.
How do you think about your transfer?
I love thee to the
Height
and
depth.
and breath my soul can reach.
But Elizabeth Barrett was an English woman.
Yes, and no.
I'm Chinese.
They're not lovers. It's about those who love. Odd Birds is a gentle film, depicting the deceptively innocent nostalgia of a simpler time.
Wish I had hair like that.
A sweeter place.
Are there many like me?
Instead of trying out for the cheerleading team, she should try out for the weightlifting team.
Yeah.
Friendship.
I feel like I go through life driving on top of a two-story bus.
Am I blue roses?
First love.
Well, if you believe in God, you must believe in life.
And the bittersweet passage of adolescence.
Good.
It's hard to barely speak above a whisper, yet still be heard. Blue Ribbon winner, American Film and Video Festival, Best Family Feature. Film Advisory Board Award of Excellence.
Selected to represent the USA at the 30th Festival of Film Auteur, Sanremo, Italy.